Oh my gosh! It's Tristan! It's Tristan! It's Tristan! Tennessee! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Tristan!
I'm done.
What's up? It's your boy Skinny Penis.
Skinny penis, hell yeah. Oh, this thing is so like. I'm not a big fan of yellow, but this is like. Oh, hell yeah. God damn, bro. That a Supra? That's a Supra? Oh my god! It's a Supra! Ah! It's a Supra! Goddamn Terminator. It's a Supra. That thing's clean as shit. Rolling 90. Anyone try to do a 180 roll?
180 roll.
160 roll, anybody? RS gang. Goddamn, bro. Getting ready to head out. Got a lot more people this time. This dude just hopped the fucking curb, dude. Apparently, that's fucking boosted. I don't know if that's true or not. What is that? Holy shit. Fucking never knew. Got an RS. Damn. That shit sound good. Got Jenny gang. More Jenny gang. Alright, now we're finna get in line. Cause it's fucking cold. I'm gonna take my antlers off for this. That's that fucking Crown Vic doing that, bro. Alright, we gotta get our gauges back going. Gotta hit connect. Buckle up. Buckle up. Did I mention there's a Supra, bro? Was that a Land Rover? Maybe an old Range, but alright, should be heading up. Oh, that damn, there's a line way down there. I realize how many people. I'm so cold. I cannot say that enough. That thing's. You can hear the turbo, dude. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that turbo is nice. I bet that thing holds, but we're gonna go ahead and focus on the road. Fucking throwbacks. Bro, you can actually see in my video now.
Hey. Oh, you got a new phone?
Yeah, you can see. No more shitty quality. That is Supra? It's a Supra, bro. Alright. Hold up.
If you just put Supra Street Race, it's going
automatic.
viral.
Super what? Is that a jewel, bro?
Oh my god. So as long as we keep it in the middle.
Technically, I stole these boxes from right there. I got a piss.
Nice.
Steel and trash, so area, that's very
Nice. Gang. Jenny on Jenny crime.
Can't really tell.
turn radius.
Uh-oh.
Dang. Y'all eager beavers. Hey, watch out for that dip.
Are you ready?
Straight Jenny's all night. God dang, bro. It's kind of clean. Got Velocir.
I do not want to be around this thing when it buzzes.
For real, though, I always get scared of that.
I hit it
Hold
too.
on, I'm trying to get his tires, bro.
I hit it twice, but I have a fucking monster chase in my car. It's just like super hard.
As long as he wasn't his transmission plan, he's straight.
Imagine. No cap though. Huh? He's probably still won though. Like after that long ass default.
Y'all both.
Chill, bro. Bro, y'all gonna get us caught for real, though.
I need my green card.
Now no one's gonna be. Now when it's a real cop.
I'm dead, bro. About to get in the car, warm up for a little bit, because it is freaking cold out. But so far, it's been a pretty dope night. If y'all enjoying the video so far, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Oh shit. And of course, as you could tell, the spot got shut down. So that's gonna do it for this video. We're gonna call it a night and head back to the house. And yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment what you thought, and I'll catch you in the next one.